Today's agenda, guys. Xavier's excited. Is to get my motor back into the bay. It's been a long 5 years waiting. Got her all protected and covered up. Xavier, come down. Good boy. It's been a long 5 years of waiting to get this to where it is now, but yesterday I went ahead and installed these shocks here, or these struts. Wasn't that bad of a job. Contemplated on doing it, but I did it anyways, and there it is. Modernizing things a little bit with the old girl here. So, sun's gonna be over here in a few. A beautiful AZ morning. We're gonna get this thing back in the bay. Hopefully no issues. I've had this Harbor Freight engine hoist for a few years. Not a few, quite a few. I actually used it to put the 347 in. That's now in my son's, coupe. So this thing has had its fair share of combinations, from the original 302 to actually went straight to a 347, no 306 for years back in pre-2000s. Now she's getting the old 363 Dart block. Give you guys an update on that once she's off to the fabricators. So there she is. Still quite a few things I gotta do inside. That dash is coming out. That's going to my son. Completed this is a car cover for the old girl, which I kind of like. But completed the rear seat delete kit there. Put some LEDs in there, lighting wise. So you can see up there. Can't really see it.